Good morning, everybody. My name is Surak Perera. I'm an application engineer with Maplesoft, based in our office in Cambridge, England. Today, I'm just going to be introducing the first theme, delivering a successful online education. And I'll be doing a very short presentation on some of the aspects that we have learned from our users of these products to show you to give you the best possible start in your implementation of these technologies. So I think it's very clear that the future of education is in connected, online, adaptable, and engaging courses. These should also be able to fully embrace the changes in how we interact with content. And as you can see, with all data that is collected from students and educators, the trend is very clear in that direction. Online courseware is also proving very popular amongst students. Data also shows that they appreciate that information is available faster and can be digested at their own pace. So not one student is the same as another, so they appreciate that adaptable nature that online education platforms can give them. The ability to also have rich supplementary course materials online is also proving very popular. So the students can develop knowledge according to their own specific needs. And that then gives them more confidence and also helps educators to be more effective in their teaching. So this is just basically setting the scene about where we are in the online education landscape. But in order to deliver a successful online education offering, there are challenges. So, and in order to have this progress, there needs to be a team of people we have seen from our customers with the right skills working together in alignment. An example framework for such a team might include authors of content, developers, Maple specialists, project managers, and quality assurance. And this needs to be applied successfully. This team effort needs to be applied successfully in order to make sure that the delivery is successful. Also, another consideration is content. The content for these courses needs to be thought of in the longer term. How there can be overlap across different courses is also an important consideration. So the high-level structure of content and organization of structure is therefore very critical to the successful delivery of online education. There's also a requirement for training. Although these technologies are relatively low complexity, if you consider the other offerings on the table, there is a requirement for training. So authors invest the most time, typically, in the system. So ramping up the learning curve for them is a key priority, and Maplesoft are very committed to helping you, support you in that area. There's also the question of content design. The effectiveness of online education is dependent on the type of content that you develop. They're typically not the same as what you might find in a textbook. There could be videos, there could be animations, there could be interactive content in there. So the bottom line is delivery requires a lot of planning, and one can learn from the experiences that we see in conferences like these. And you can utilize the resources that are available to you to make it successful. So expectations from a good online courseware platform are far-reaching. So there's an expectation for the system to be adaptable, for it to provide a lot of rich analytical information for both the educators and the students. So there needs to be a platform that can have the scope for growth. So it's a journey, and we are at step the initial steps. And what we're saying is that in this platform of Mobius, you have a good framework for growth. So the future, we have taken positive steps, but it is a journey that we are on. Today, Mobius is a platform which provides rich interactive content. It engages students at every stage in their learning process. The system has a modern user interface. It's functional across different form factors like mobiles, tablets, laptops. It's also adaptable to specific students' needs, and data about the student learning experience is available to the educator at a very fine-grained level. So at every level, analytical information is available to the educator, and both the educator and the student. So we've had a very fantastic response to Mobius from the education community. As mentioned earlier, it's been developed with a tight partnership with the education community, so it's been in a pilot phase for a number of years. It's a strong platform. There's over 60 new pilot sites coming online. We conducted a training boot camp, which was also very successful, between Maplesoft and the University of Waterloo over the summer. There's ongoing work with publishers to bring content more readily available to people. And in the following presentations, we'll see some of the user experiences of MapleTA and Mobius today. So with that, I'm introducing the user presentations to you. I hope you enjoy the theme and enjoy hearing from some of our users on their experiences.